Hey guys, and today we're going to be opening up 3 little fidget things I got. Here's one, it's a fidget spinner. Here's just like a fidget spinner cube, basically. And here I got some thumb chucks. Right now I'm going to start with the thumb chucks, I guess. Let's open it. So it has like a rope and 2 little ball things. So that's why they call them chucks, because it's like nunchucks. This is very weird. I never had any of these before. Whoa. Okay, here we go. So, okay, so it's like, I guess it's like a swinging thing. There's little instruction things here, if you can see that. It's pretty cool. So that's our first. I'm going to put it to the side. Next, let's do this cube. We'll save the fidget spinner last. Fidget hand cube, that's what it's called. A fidget hand cube. Okay. Down. Okay, there we go. Whoa. So you do this. I'm going to see if it... Oh. That was where I put. So it's like a fidget spinner, but cube. That's cool. You can also do this. You could just spin that part, but the better way is just... Okay, so put that to the side. And the last is our circle fidget spinner. Very metallic. Let's open it. Where is it? Okay, it rolls. Whoops. So it's pretty cool. And it lights up very bright in the camera, even though it's not that bright in real life. Oh, it is bright. See, this side is dull. Whoop. Let's see if it has different settings. Yes, it does. So, we're going to turn this off. One's off. One's off, and then the third one off. So now it's just a regular fidget spinner that can roll. So which one's your favorite? Comment down below. Please like, share, and subscribe to my video. And so there's 2 blue ones and 1 black one. And then finally, this one. It's pretty nice. So I'm going to say what I like about these and what I don't dislike. So we're going to start with these thumb chucks. So what I like about these is that this is light. What I don't really like is that the string is a little long and it's flat at the back, at this side, so yeah. But it's still awesome. Next, this. Everything is so cool about this. It's like you could spin a cube, but the thing I dislike is that it's plastic. It's not metal. Same with this. This is plastic. It's not metal. But what do you expect? Lots of fidget spinners are like this, but I would admit this one's $1. So yeah, of course it would be cheap. Same with this. This is $1. This one's $5. So yeah. Or maybe this one was $5 too. Wait, I'm gonna have an idea. This. Whoa. Okay, that didn't work. So we just got back home from buying stuff. So that's pretty much it. So yeah, tell me what's your favorite again. So tell me what your favorite is, and just kidding. Okay, so and this line is crooked a little. So string, I mean, not line. And the thing I really like about this is that it's like how they got this thing, this cube to spin like that. So that's pretty much it for today. So my favorite is the cube. I like this the most. So yeah. Bye.